owners should not feel like they have to chase their management company to figure out what is happening with their own investment. This week's question of the week is, how often will I actually hear from you? And honestly, this is one of the most underrated questions a rental property owner can ask when they are interviewing a property management company. A lot of owners will ask, what do you charge? How fast can you rent it? How do you handle maintenance? And those are all fair questions, but communication is usually where the relationship either feels great or starts to fall apart. Owning a rental property is not always perfectly smooth. There will be repairs, there may be vacancy, there may be pricing adjustments, there may be tenant questions, lease renewal decisions, HOA concerns, inspection findings, or unexpected expenses. And when those things happen, the difference between a good experience and frustrating experience is usually communication. I can't stress that enough. So instead of only asking, how do you communicate? The better question is, what should I expect to hear from you? When should I expect to hear it? And how do you keep me updated when something important is happening? Because a good property management company should have a process. If your home is vacant, are they giving you showing updates? Are they reviewing pricing with you? Are they explaining what the market is doing? Are they letting you know if feedback suggests the home needs an adjustment? If there is maintenance, are they documenting the issue? Are they communicating with the tenant? Are they getting estimates when needed? Are they helping you make a smart ROI-based decision instead of just throwing a bill at you? If a tenant is nearing renewal, are they reviewing the condition of the property, current rent, market rent, and the tenant's performance? This is massive. That is where communication truly matters. At Red Door, we talk a lot about communication because owners should not feel like they have to chase their management company to figure out what is happening with their own investment. Even if you hire Red Door or not, ask better questions. What updates look like, when you will hear from them, how they handle problems. Ask whether they use pictures, video, owner portals, email, phone calls, or market data to keep you informed. The best property management relationships are not built on hoping everything goes perfectly. They are built on having a clear process when things do not. And that is why this week's better question is, how often will I actually hear from you? And what does your communication process look like when something important is happening? If you want to hear more questions you should be asking, be sure to check out our Watch and Learn tab on the website or head over to our YouTube page for more.